students, welcome back to my channel. So today one question based on number 12, find all positive integers n for which both 837 plus n and 837 minus n are cubes of positive integers. That means 837 plus n is a cube, let it be cube of 8. 837 minus n is also a cube, let it be cube of 3. So if you add these two, a cube plus b cube, and will be cancelled, it will be 1674. Now to find the value of a and b, let's analyze this value. Whose cube is this? What is the cube which is closest to 1674? We know that 11 cube equals to 1231 and 12 cube equals to 1728. That means 1728 is greater than 1674. So we need to test the value of AB up to 11. So let's take from 1 to 11. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, then 25. So these are the possible value of A and B. So that the cube of B is only 1116, 7343, 512, 729, 10, 1000, and 51 is of 11. So I'll start from this bigger one. Let one number be 11. B11, then 11 cube equals to 1331, then B cube equals to 1674 minus 151, then B 343. So that is 7 cube. So when A is 11, B equals to 7. Or if B is 11, A is 7. So one pair we got, that is 11 and 7. Now let's find other pair. The next biggest number is 100,000. So I'll take, let A is 10. Then the cube equals to 1000. Then the cube is equals to 1674 minus 1000. It is 674. It is not a cube. It's not a cube. So here 10 is discarded. Next I'll come to next one, 729. So the cube is equals to 1674 minus 729, 940. This will be 945. It is not a cube. Then this is not possible. This is not possible. Next 512. So 1674 minus 512 equals to 1162. This is not a cube. And we have reached thus 11 cube is 151. We have reached here. So no need of analyzing or testing again with all these small cubes. So we are getting only one pair. 7. Now coming to what is the value of n, we have to get n. Now n equals to 837 minus n equals to b, which is b is 743. N is equals to 837 minus 343, it will be 494. This is the answer. I hope you enjoyed. So please keep on watching. If it is beneficial for you or it will help